Kublai pi baro na kadular chin kana shlonga ai kublai pi saisian chingna ka program ka bon chpi malaga sniu blai na ka banta ki khubor la kam bat ki khubor la kam jang teo ki long kumni ka IDBI bank ka pan banai ka khubor la kam pat ka khon application na ki candidate pan pandap e ka post ka balai pat ka post ka long ka post junior assistant manager grade O sanspa atli ki post Art spotlight liki post long unreserved, san nagabunda ki SC, laipunyo nagabunda ki ST, san po nagabunda ki ES, but chis spotlight po san liki post nagabunda ki OBC. Kertak babiang hapo ka laipu witrik klalingko January araja arpsaw, kalong hapdeng ka arpo bat arpo san snem, tang ki bakha hapdeng ka laipu witrik klalingko January jong snem kat kandai po kandai, bat laipu witrik klalingko January jong snem araja saw kila aban apply. Kerta penjalan ke belai snem on priang naki OBC, san snem naki SC but ST but she post snem naki PWD candidate. Ke applicant ki deben long ki belapan dep graduation naki recognized university lani institution. Ke applicant ki deben long ki benang haki KAM computer but ro ki benang haki ketin local. Ke applicant baro can have an apply online limba ka online recruitment portal jang ka IDBI bank. Ke applicant can have Robin Siu ka application fee ka basyong do 6,000 tingka batang aspa tingka na kabantay ki SC, ST bat PWD. Katarik hado ban register online ka long hado ka arpun riturik rumpang February ahaja arpasaw matip kaminya puli ka official notification. Ka Union Bank of India ka panbanay ka khubor light kam at ka khon application na ki candidate ban pandap iki post ki balat bat ki post ki long. Post Chief Manager IT Solution Architect Arthliki post. Post Chief Manager IT Quality Assurance Lead Kawika post. Post Chief Manager IT Service Management Expert Kawika post. Post Chief Manager IT Agile Methodology Specialist Kawika post. Post Senior Manager IT Application Developer South Liki post. Post Senior Manager IT DevSecOps Engineer Arthliki post. Post Senior Manager IT, Reporting and ETL Specialist, Monitoring and Logging, Artligi Post. Post Senior Manager Risk, Arphotligi Post. Post Senior Manager Chartered Accountant, Soutligi Post. Post Manager IT, Front End, Lane Mobile App Developer, Artligi Post. Post Manager IT, API Platform Engineer, Lane Integration Specialist, Artligi Post. Post Manager Risk Arpunyo Tliki Post, Post Manager Credit Laispa Nyapoe Tliki Post, Post Manager Law Arpusan Tliki Post, Post Manager Integrated Treasury Officer Santaliki Post, Post Manager Technical Officer Katkandai Tliki Post, Post Assistant Manager Electrical Engineer Artliki Post, Post Assistant Manager Civil Engineer Artliki Post, Post Assistant Manager Architect Kawega Post, Post Assistant Manager Technical Officer Laipotaliki Post, Post Assistant Manager Forex Neopolitaliki Post. On priang tangi ka online registration, ke applicant can have Roman siya ka application fee ka basyong do praspa tingka, batang shispa nyosan tingka na kabantay ki SC, ST bat PWBD. Mentip kami niya aha ka bede bat ka kerdan jing puli kerta ka babiang ka jing yo bat kiwe ki jing tip puli benya ka official notification. Katarik kado ban register online ka long haka arpulai trek rumpang February araja arpusaw. Ka Northeastern Hill University nihu ka panbanay ka khubor lat kam bat ka khon application na ki candidate ban pandap ek non-teaching group A post bat ki post silang ka post finance officer kawi ka post unreserved ka post controller of examination kawi ka post unreserved kerta ka biang ka long san panyo snem ka jingyo ka long ka level 14 shilak sa hajar arspa hadu arlak hat prahajar arspa kiba apply kideben long kibla pendap eka master's degree bom dunai ka 100% na ne ka kerdan jing puli ka biyaringkat na ki recognized university lamat ka experience bom dunai ka khatsan snem ka post university engineer kawi ka post unreserved kerta ka bobiyang ka long san pendrus nem ka jingyo ka long ka p level 13 shilak arpula hajar shispa hadu arlak ka san hajar khandai spa Kiba apply kide benlong kibala pendap eka first class bachelor's degree haka civil engineering neki recognized institute lana university lana kibadan ne kadan jing puli ka bayaran kat ru kila ban apply. Ka post deputy registrar south ligi post art ligi post lang unreserved kawai na kabantai ki OBC but kawai ka post na kabantai ki economically weaker section. Kiba apply kide benlong kibala pendap eka master's degree bomdunai ka 100% lamat ka experience bomdunai ka snem. Kajing yo akan long ka level 12 nyo po prahajar praspa hado arlak handahajar arspa kerta ka babiang ka long san post nem. Ka post assistant registrar south ligi post art ligi post kilang unreserved kawai na kabantai ki OBC but kawai ka post na kabantai ki economically weaker section. Kajing yo akan long haka P level 10 san pandri hajar shispa hado shilak nyo punyo hajar san spa kiba apply kide benlong kibala pendap eka master's degree bomdunai ka 100% bandan kam ro eka experience. Ki candidate can happen apply tanglang baka online mode lakar pat eka applicant baro bikin puli benya eka official notification shua bikin register online ka application fee ka shong do 6000 tingka batang sanspa tingka na kabantai ki SC but ST ki candidate kan thay but ki candidate ki badan jing juna hai hotman kim dan ka ban siwe ka application fee Pantip company let ka website www.nihu.ac.in but ka tarik hado ban prangi ka application ka long ha ka arpolai tarik rampang February araja arpusaw Punjab National Bank kapun banaga KHUBOR lat kap marka court application nagi candidate ki badane ka mon baga kandan jing puli ban Punjab ki post ki balat marki post ki long ka post officer credit in GMG skill 1 shi hajar tli ki post kerta ka babiang hapo ka shidrik klaning court January anata arpu saw ka long hapring arpu way bad arpu prasnem ki applicant ki ban long ki chartered accountant Niki Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, Niki Cost Management Accountant ICWA, Niki Institute of Cost Accountant of India, Niki Chartered Financial Analyst FCA, Niki FCA Institute, Niki Bala wan apply ki dedo ki candidate ki bala pandep ek full-time MBA, Niki postgraduate diploma ka management, Niki kandan jing puli ka bayaring kat ka finance, Niki Noki Institute lana university, Bala recognized the approved government bodies like AICTE and UGC bamdunai kan 2%. Ka post manager forex in MMG scale 2 sandli ki post karta ko biang hapo ka shitrik lan ko January alaja arpusaw ka long hapreng ka arpusan balai pusan snem ki applicant ki riban long ki bala pandep ka full time MBA lade postgraduate diploma ka management lade ka kandan jing puli ka bayaring kad ka finance and international business na Kinoki Institute and a college university, but I recognized the approved government bodies like the AICTE and the UGC bomdunai kan 2%. Ki applicant ki diri uban long ki badan ka experience bomdunai ka arsnem kum ki offices ne ki feel ki badan kam. Ka post manager cyber security in MMG scale 2 sandli ki post. Karta ka babiang hapo ka shitrik laling ko January araja arpusaw ka long hapreng ka arpusan balai pusan snem. Kiba apply ki ban long ki bala pandep ek full-time degree haka BE lani BTech haka computer science lani information technology lani electronics and communication engineering lani full-time MCA lani recognized institute lani college lani university bala approve taka sarkar lani AICTE lani UGC dan kamru ek experience bomdunai ka Southnem ka bakunto ek experience ka Arsnem ha ka managing IT and cyber security in large data center and SOC and CSOC and QA ki applicant baro can habro ban siwe ka application fee ka basyong do 6000 shiswa prapoding ka batang san po kanai tingka na kabantay ki SC ST bat PWBD ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kandan jing puli can happen apply online le ba ka online portal jing ka Punjab National Bank bat ka tarik hado un prang ka application ka long hado ka arpa santrek rumpang February araja arpa saw ka Indian Coast Guard ka panbanay ka KHUBOR lat kam ka court application tang na ki candidate chinrang ki badane ka mon ba ka kandan jing puli ban pandap e ka post ha Indian Coast Guard ka baday ka Armed Force jong ka Union ka post Indian Coast Guard Navig General Duty as pa an report le ki post region and zone wise ki long North Nyopo Khandait le ki post West Henry ligi post, Northeast Henry Prat ligi post, East Lipolite ligi post, Northwest Karat ligi post, but Andaman and Nicobar Light ligi post. Ki candidate ki deban long ki bala pass 10+2 lamat ka maths and physics kum ki subjects na ki education board bala recognize the board of school education. Kertak bobiang ka long hapadeng ki khat prabat arpo arts nem tang ki candidate ki bakha hapadeng ki shitrik nailur September arhaja ar but lai poitrik nailar August arhaja nriu ki laban apply. Kertap njalan kan long tang na kabentai ki SC but ST but OBC tang lada don ki post ki balang reserve. On pedang ka online application, ki candidate kan haban ledge ka website www.joinindiancoastguard.sta.in ki applicant kan habro ban siu ye ka application fee ki basyong dor lai spa ting ka batang ki SC ST ki ban ka ban siu ka application fee. Katarik haddo pedang ka application bu pura ka long ka arpunyo trik rumpang February arhaja arpusaw. The North Eastern Council Secretariat NEC kapag banay ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM markakod application na ki candidate un pandap ikipos sa contract basis markipos kilang kapos junior consultant LAIT ligipos kapos finance LAIT ligipos kapos tourism and industries art ligipos science and technology kaway kapos planning art ligipos kapos human resource development and employment art ligipos kapos IFC and WM kaway kapos kapos TNC kaway kapos bar kapos green allied art liki pos ki candidate ki badane kamon makakadan jing puli kin haban download eka application form like NEC website eka application wa pura lambat ka biodata pan poch director admin kamra number South Pasan NEC secretariat Nongram Hills Shillong pin code nyo kandai line non line meglaya pagkatarik haddo unpang ka application kalong shwala ni ha ka arpan rewtrik rampang February arja arpusaw. Mentip kampanya let ka website www.necouncil.gov.in. Ka Gramin Healthcare ka baday ka healthcare organization ka panbanay ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM ka online application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon magkakandan jing puli ban pandap ka post ka balan bat ka post ka long ka post center manager ka posting ka long ha bajeng roba lani pura khasya lani gambigre ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pandap graduation lani post graduation lani BHMS lani BAMS ki candidate ki badane ka mon magkakandan jing puli kin ha ban pa ya ka CV ka jonki siya ka email ID curious@graminhealthcare.com ka tarik haddo unprangi ka application ka long shwal ni ha ka arpo turik rumpang February arhaja arpusaw. Parlok ng pet kito kilong ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM hakani ka por bat nga kermen benwara siya pi ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM hakani ka tayo ka bansawan ya menta nagadurar sin ka no shlong ay kuble pi ba ka tayo ko bhai pi bara.